So who do you talk to when you have nobody in your stream's chat that is actively communicating with you? There's a few ways that you can go about this, and I'm sure that this is going to be one of many videos that I make on this topic in the future. So stay subscribed for more videos like this. But what I really think is important is making sure that you are still you. I'm not gonna lie, there are times where I have nobody in my stream and it's hard. There are times where you just really wanna go on and you're in that mood where you just wanna talk or you just wanna, see a bunch of people in that stream. And it's difficult when you're not seeing those results. But that doesn't mean that there isn't amazing things happening still. The beautiful part is you have friends, you have family. There are ways that you can text your friends and family and say, hey, I would at least love for you to come in, check this out, just chat a little bit with me. Whatever that can be, can very much help. You can catch up with people through just that line of communication. It's also a really good method to just be yourself and be goofy in a sense that people are gonna wanna chime in. You're not gonna wanna talk and really call out people that are lurking because it can deter them away. I know that's a bit of a controversial topic. I used to call out a bunch of lurkers and now I just don't. My objective with my stream personally is to have a space where people can come and unwind, to relax, to be educated, to be inspired, to have some laughs, have some fun. If they're doing that without communicating to me through my chat, I'm still gonna be okay with that because I know that if that person's there and if I'm really watching my viewer list intently, which I don't recommend, but if you are, and you notice that that person's name is still there and it's a new name that you haven't seen, that means that you're still making an impact. And just because they're not gonna hit that follow button, they're not gonna chat with you today, doesn't mean that they're not gonna come back. And what you really wanna do is ensure that these people that are coming to your stream for the first time are not only getting the best experience and the best version of you, but are also going to be so inclined with who you are, your personality, your gameplay, whatever the catch to your stream is, so that they come back again and they maybe follow in the future, maybe become a subscriber in the future. Another thing to look for is what is something within the game that you can do for fun. For me, it was absolutely Roller Coaster Tycoon 2, and it was absolutely putting viewers' names on park guests. This was well before OpenRCT2 was a thing and other Twitch integrations were a thing. Find ways to incorporate your viewers. If it's not calling out lurkers, it can be, hey, I would love to get your guys' thoughts on this, or hey, I'm totally willing to put viewers' names in the park and we can follow them around the Roller Coaster Tycoon park. Let me know in chat if that's something you would be interested in. Find ways to coax your guests into talking a little bit. It's really cool to build relationships that way as well, and I've used that method to build relationships with countless friends that I text on a daily basis, and it's really, really cool to have those opportunities to just simply give a little bit of oomph to them to say, okay, yeah, I've been here, I've been watching, I really like this person's personality. I've been watching the stream, whether it is the first time, whether it's the 10th time, I'll join in now. I think it would be cool to see what random character would do in a Roller Coaster Tycoon park with my name on it. Stuff like that is always gonna be a way to bring more people into your chat box. And just keep in mind that just because you have 4 viewers and 3 of them are chatting doesn't mean that you need to be looking for more. The hardest part about streaming is streaming to very few people and thinking that you need to be streaming to more. But if you have 3 active people in your chat, those are the 3 most important people in your stream ever, that will ever be. If you can keep those 3 people there and talking and coming back, they will eventually advocate and grow this big web for your stream, and eventually you will start to see those numbers rise, slowly at first, but exponentially later. I hope this tip gives you some insight on what to do when you have no other viewers or nobody's talking in your chat box. Like I said, I'm gonna probably be making a bunch of videos on this topic because I definitely have a lot of tips and a lot of thoughts on what you can do to improve your stream when it is on those lower levels. I live it right now, and I still have the most fun that I've had in so much time because the people that are there and we're making experiences together that will then become what makes the stream popular in the future. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Let me know what questions you have about Twitch streams that I can answer in a video or in a Twitch ebook that I'm currently building in the comments section below. Don't forget to leave a like. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you on the internet.